Ba 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 da. Hello, people of the 51 people that I sing to for nothing at all. Let's do this. Turn my computer on and I find a song, and then I sing like an idiot for about a minute, 2 minutes. How long is the song? Yeah, about 3 minutes. Anyway, after I finished the song, I project it to my iTunes, or actually I find it at the thing in iMovie. Then I find it in my iTunes or my iMovie. Oh god, I'm so confused. I'll find out after I'm done this song, but right now I'm singing. Oh my god, that took out so much. I took out so much of my breath. Okay, now time to stop singing auto-tune. Maybe stop singing altogether too. I don't know. Is my voice too low? Oh my god, I'm writing so much. But it's hard to rhyme all of the time. I'm lost in the song. See, I don't know if I'm supposed to be singing like this right now. But then the guitar. Oh, come on! Nah, that didn't work there. Trying to find the part. I think here was that. Here we go now. And then the guitar plays and it sounds super cool, and I am awesome. No, not really. Oh my god, this is the best I've done so far. I am rhyming so much, and I actually haven't said I don't know what to say. My internet's horrible today, so it might not be able to upload right now. But trust me, it will be uploaded soon. I'm on Skype as well, and I can see that I'm repeatedly going offline. But going back online about a few seconds after. Oh god, I hope that you can hear me properly, because of bouncy things on the screen that shows how loud I am going. Medium size, but hopefully the sound is alright. I shouldn't do any more hopeless takes for now, because my voice is low and doesn't sound loud. Oh god, but I'm thriving well, and it's good. Mallets and beats and clean, distorted, ensemble, electric, intense, dark, processed, and let's say arrhythmic, fill, conga, harmonic. Don't just read them. Loops from the GarageBand. I don't know why. I just had nothing to say. Anyway, leave a suggestion down below. What song you want to hear me to sing. Not probably straight away though, but trust me, I will. If it's a good song, that is, and I know what I'm doing after I repeat it a few times. Anyway, see you later.